Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Arun Reddy Tech for You. In this video, we are going to discuss about flowchart and algorithm. So friends, if you don't want to miss my videos, please subscribe my channel Arun Reddy Tech for You. So coming to the flowchart is nothing but diagrammatic representation. Suppose you are writing an algorithm and or a program, it is very difficult to explain and make others understand. So we can use flowcharts. Flowcharts contain some symbols and these symbols will make you understand easily. So let us see what are the symbols we use. So these are some of the symbols which we use in our flowchart. Let us come one by one. So first it's a flow line and this is used to make understand the logic, how a flow of logic is going on. Second one is a terminal and this is a starting and ending point where our program starts and ends. And a third symbol, it's an input output symbol, and this symbol is used for a suppose, for example, if you are initializing a value by using a is equal to 5 or scanf, or you are printing a value like printf, then we use input output symbol. We use processing is used for generally to manipulate or to use arithmetic operations. Suppose you are adding values, then we use this processing symbols. And we have a decision symbol which will help us to decide whether it's a true or false. And we have other symbols like on page connector, off page connector, and predefined process functions. This will help us to make our flowchart easy. So let us see a small example on a flowchart. You can see this program contains adding of a two numbers. So in this program I am just declaring two variables, number 1, number 2, and three variables, num1, num2, and sum. And I am reading the two variables. Either it may be initializing directly num1 is equal to 5, or we can use scanf. Okay, so I am just initializing two variables, num1 and num2. Now next I am just taking sum is equal to a plus b. A plus b is nothing but a number 1, number 2. Okay, so num1, num2 both together is adding in the sum. Okay, so here instead of just assume instead of num1, num2, a and b, and next displaying the sum. Okay, so if it is the same in the C language, we would have write int num1 comma num2 comma sum. Next we would have written num1 is equal to 5 and num2 is equal to 10. Next like a sum is equal to num1 plus num2, and next this printf sum. Okay, this is how we used to write our program. You can see how our different symbols we use in our flowchart, which will help us to write a understand a program. You can see first one is the first and last, it is a terminal where it program starts and ends. And you can see arrow symbol which is a flow line, and you can also see a symbol paragraph which will read or write, means scanf or printf we use, okay, generally. And we can also see the rectangle symbol which will help us in declaration and arithmetic operations. Nice, right? So let us see a small algorithm and program so you can understand more easily. Coming to algorithm, you can see algorithm first starting, and you can also see on the right side you can see flowchart, and left side you can see algorithm. Algorithm is nothing but a step-by-step instructions for a problem which defines a solution to a particular problem. So to defining a solution, we will write a step by step. Okay, so algorithm generally it looks like a normal English. It is not that hard to understand like a C language. But and next on the right side you can see a flowchart. Flowchart is more easy to make other people understand. So let us see one by one step. First, here we have started, and on the right side also you can see it has started. Second, we have read the number. Okay, so here we have read the number. Third, we have taken a number. Let us assume we have taken a even number. So what happens, any even number, if it is divided by 2, the remainder will be 0. So however it will become true, so it will go to the next statement. It will print even. By chance, suppose if you are taking the value as a odd number, so it will be false, right? So it will in the algorithm it will go to else, and in the flowchart it will go to the false. See, here it has gone, if it is odd number it has gone to the false, which means in the writing odd number, and here you can see it will go to the else. Nice, right? So this is a major difference between algorithm and flowchart. Thank you. Keep practicing.